Everyone's talking about the Omicron variant of coronavirus and whether it's again going to wreak havoc in India. What I can tell you is that right now, while cases of the Omicron variant are rising across the world, here in India, there are no confirmed cases as of now. But that doesn't mean we can afford to let our guard down. The government too is taking note of all that's happening across the world, and that's why we're in a state of high alert. States are gearing up and chalking out a strategy to prevent the transmission of Omicron. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be chairing a key meeting today over the health infrastructure of the national capital. That meeting will be happening at 11 this morning. The Maharashtra government wants the centre to halt flights from African and other affected nations. Meanwhile, concerns are mounting in Karnataka after a passenger who arrived from South Africa tested positive for COVID and with a different variant than the Delta variant. His samples have been sent for genome sequencing. So I have to say here that it's not been confirmed that this is the Omicron variant just yet. The WHO has meanwhile raised an alarm over Omicron, calling the global risks related to the mutated variant very high. More than 15 countries across the world have now reported cases of this variant. No cases have as of now been reported in India, but we can't afford to let our guard down, especially after what we witnessed in the second deadly wave.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ एडवाइजरीज 28 नवंबर को जारी की है, जिसमें बहुत क्लियर लिखा है कि रिस्की कंट्रीज बोल के नॉमिनेट हुए हैं, उनके यहाँ से आने वाले हर कोई फ्लाइट के लोगों का 2-3 तरीके से उनकी जांच हो रही है। लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी महाराष्ट्र के मंत्रिमंडल में इसकी चिंता व्यक्त की गई है कि क्यों ना हम इस सभी रिस्की कंट्रीज के फ्लाइट्स को बैन करें और उस तरीके की विनती भी केंद्र शासन को करें।
The profile of the mutations strongly suggests that it's going to have an advantage in transmissibility and that it might evade immune protection that you would get, for example, from a monoclonal antibody or from the convalescent serum after a person's been infected, and possibly even against some of the vaccine-induced antibodies. So it's not necessarily that that's going to happen, but it's a strong indication that we really need to be prepared for that.
As cases of coronavirus, particularly the Omicron variant, are rising across the world, here's what India is doing right now. A genomic consortium is tracking the new variant, particularly people who've returned from high-risk nations. Genomic sequencing is done on those who've tested positive to identify if they're carrying the Omicron variant. A genetic and a genomic analysis, really, of the samples of international travelers is being done to identify if any of them are carriers of this new variant. States and union territories have been asked to also conduct rigorous screening and testing, particularly at their airports, to ensure that there's proper screening and scanning of all travelers. Travelers from at-risk nations will be screened a lot more than others. 12 high-risk nations have been identified by the centre, and an advisory on the same has been given to all states.